Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Chris. This week we're going to cook a tiramisu. Not any old tiramisu, a lemon tiramisu. Controversial you might think, but it is made in Italy and it is authentic. So come with me, watch the journey, and we'll cook this and we'll see how it comes out later. See you soon. Lemons, limoncello, sugar, eggs, mascarpone cheese and sponge fingers. Cut 2 lemons and cut in 4 quarters. Add 350 grams of water. And switch on for 2 seconds, speed 10. Remove the lid, insert the strainer basket and then strain into a bowl. Add the sugar and the zest of a lemon and 10 seconds, speed 10. Scrape down the sides of the bowl . Put in the butterfly whisk. And then we'll add 2 eggs, and then we'll put in 1 egg yolk. And after that's mixed up, we'll remove the whisk, and then we'll gradually add the mascarpone through where the measuring cup usually goes, and we'll mix that for a couple of minutes at speed 3. Once that's done, pour the lemon mixture into a dish, and then what you want to do is get the finger biscuits and put them in for 3 or 4 seconds, and then put them into another bowl. Careful not to over soak them, otherwise they'll break up, and just gradually build it up until you get a layer into the dish. And then once that's done, what you want to do is get the mixture of the cream, the mascarpone and the lemon, and then layer that over the dish, and then gradually build it up, get a nice even layer, and then put your fingers back on top of that, finger biscuits they're called, and then there it's finished with all the mascarpone. Cover it in cling film and then put it in the fridge for about 5 hours until it's really set, and then unwrap it and sprinkle it with some lemon zest, and that gives it a lovely zingy taste. Hello, welcome back. Right, well I've prepared that, and as you can see we've got a lovely lemon tiramisu. You could almost say it was a piece of cake to make it. It really is easy in the Thermomix Tm6 to make this. For those of you that don't have a Thermomix Tm6, next week I'll be making another tiramisu in a traditional method, but with a different twist again. Anyway, all that remains to do is to cut a piece of this and see what it's like. So just going to cut off a small piece. And going to try this out. There you are, you can see what it's like. And the proof of the pudding is in the eating, as they say. So let's try this. I think everybody would like that. It's really zingy, really lemony. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe because it really helps my channel. And I'll see you again next week. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.